Hello and welcome to the completed video of our kitchen on our 30's bungalow. So we've finished, so we started almost 4 months to the day, 4 months yesterday I think it is, and today we are complete. So we'll show you the finished article. So the doors are back on. Radiator, larder cabinet, sink, kitchen, fridge freezer snag, door back on, boiler cupboard, and the mantle is complete. Cornice is all fitted, kickboards fitted, all on the bottom, flooring complete. So I'm particularly pleased, the mantle turned out really well, so I'm really pleased with that. So the cooker now looks nicely inset. Also, the double doors are back on the garden room, and this is ready to put our bits of furniture back in. So we've got just a couple of chairs, and I'm going to renovate the dining room table, and then that's all finished. So that's it. 4 months work. And we weren't hanging about. Got the underlights under there. So I'm not covered in dust and not in my scruffs, so that's better. So that's it, finished. So next project we're going to do the front bedroom, then the hallway, new loft ladder, and then we're going to do renovate the front room as well, but that'll be next year. So for this year, that's it. Okay? If you like my videos, please subscribe, like, etc. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Bye.